listening to VIT Radio on KNGO 1480 AM, Dallas, Texas.
The civil authorities have issued a required weekly test for all of Alabama, all of Arkansas, all of Iowa, all of Illinois, all of Kansas, all of Louisiana, all of Minnesota, all of Missouri, all of Mississippi, all of North Dakota, all of Nebraska, all of Oklahoma, all of South Dakota, all of Tennessee, all of Texas, and all of Wisconsin beginning at 11 a.m. and ending at 12 p.m. Test message EAPAWS Open Cap EAS Feed Configuration Test Message.
Love and laughter of family life.
The president said he believes
Eyesight doesn't define a parent, a child, or a family. What counts is being together. Want to learn more? Visit us on the web at blind.org.
The civil authorities have issued a required weekly test for all of Arizona, all of Colorado, all of Idaho, all of Montana, all of New Mexico, all of Utah, and all of Wyoming beginning at 11 a.m. and ending at 12 p.m.
You know nothing takes him by surprise.
Open Cap
He has a
EAS
reason
Feed
for
Configuration
everything,
Test
even
Message.
for allowing you to suffer hardship. Today on Turning Point, Dr. David Jeremiah considers the Apostle Paul's hardship, or thorn in.
The civil authorities have issued a required weekly test for all of Arizona, all of Colorado, all of Idaho, all of Montana, all of New Mexico, all of Utah, and all of Wyoming beginning at 10 a.m. and ending at 11 a.m. Test message EAPAWS Open Cap EAS Feed Configuration Test Message.
It's really beautiful.
The civil authorities have issued a required weekly test for all of Arizona, all of Colorado, all of Idaho, all of Montana, all of New Mexico, all of Utah, and all of Wyoming beginning at 11 a.m. and ending at 12 p.m. Test message EAPAWS Open Cap EAS Feed Configuration Test Message.
Violence erupts between the unemployed and police who joined Ford's security forces. Shots were fired into the crowd, killing 4 protesters. Republican Congressman Hamilton Fish, with the support of the American Federation of Labor, AFL, also introduces a measure to Congress to create a committee to investigate radical activities. This to become the House Un-American Activities Committee. Have you driven a Ford out of town lately? Also March 6, 1965, civil rights demonstrations begin. The orders from Selma to Montgomery to protest the murder of Jamie Lee Jackson and demand voting rights for blacks.
Test message EAPAWS Open Cap EAS Feed Configuration Test Message.
Laughs and rides. I was genuinely.
The civil authorities have issued a required test for all of California. Issued a required test for California beginning at 12 p.m. and Washington. Test message EAPAWS Open Cap EAS Feed Configuration Test Message. EAPAWS Open Cap EAS Feed Configuration Test Message.
Pardoned by the president. Also on March 7, 1921, Trotsky orders the artillery bomb